Hello, and good morning everyone. Good day, wherever you are in the world, whatever time it is, I hope you're having fun. Today, we have gained another 2 family members, so welcome. We are now standing at 316 Genki family members. I'm delighted and hand on heart. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm so glad that you've decided to join the channel, and I hope that you enjoy what you find within it. It's a very eclectic channel, as I've said. We've got food reviews, chili challenges, outdoor activities, poetry, sculpture. There's all manner of things, to be fair. And in 3 weeks, I think it is, we're going down to North Wales. I'll be taking you around Anglesey with me, which I'm looking forward to immensely. And I'm also looking forward to meeting up with a few friends who live down there. It's going to be good. Today, it's another taste test. And it is another epic veggie eating Oumph spicy drums made from soya protein. It's got a World Food Innovation Award from 2021. There's the nutritional information should you wish to see it. And it says here that Oumph is here to rock your taste buds with epic plant-based food. Simple as that. We are the extra kick you've been searching for, the extra something that'll leave your mouth watering and make you forget your table manners. So what are you waiting for? To cook, oven bake for 180°C and bake for approximately 15 minutes. Or shallow fry. Heat a little oil in the frying pan, fry over a medium heat for 6 minutes. Keep turning. The ingredients are water, breading, rice flour, dextrose, salt, emulsifier, mono and diglycerides of fatty acid, maize flour, chili flakes, tomato powder, parsley, rapeseed oil, colour, paprika, maize starch, potato starch, salt, raisin agent, diaphosphate, sodium carbonate, thickener, xanthan gum, soya protein concentrate, sunflower oil, gluten-free, oat husk fibre, salt, thickener, methyl cellulose, natural flavouring dextrose, and for allergens you have got soya and oat. This is a vegan soya-based drumstick shaped piece coated with spicy crumb, pre-fried, quick frozen, etc, etc. And this is a Vegetarian Society vegan approved. The plant-based foods that I've had before have always been very disappointing. But there they are, if you can see them. I'll just come off camera for a minute. Can you see them there? So let's see what they're like. And these were, I believe these were £1.50 from Iceland. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there are 9 of them. So let's give them a go, shall we? And there they are, look. Plant-based supposed drummers. This is one of the first plant-based foods by Oumph, or whoever they are. This is one of the first ever plant-based foods that I've been able to taste. It has an odd texture, not an unpleasant texture. As you can see, it looks like what it's pretending to be. And I've got to be honest, if you were given these and not told that they were vegan, you probably wouldn't know. A little bit chewy, but besides that, they're brilliant, absolutely fine. £1.50 from Iceland. If you see them, pick them up. You won't be disappointed. And you've no nasty bones and bits to deal with. That is amazing. And it says on here that they also do doner style kebabs and spiced kebabs. All made from soya protein. And I've got to say, this has blown me away, taken me completely by surprise. It's the first time I've had them, and it definitely won't be the last. They are amazing. Very well done to Oumph. Very well done indeed. As I say, if you were given these and not told that they were vegan, I'm quite sure you wouldn't know. Amazing. Amazing taste, amazing value. The spice on them might be a little bit much for some people, the chilli, but overall, nothing but praise. And as I say, oddly enough, the only other, and I've tried quite a few plant-based, the only other plant-based product that I've liked was McDonald's McPlant burger. But these, 100 times better. Give them a go. Very well done. If you've liked this video, click the like button. Feel free to leave a comment in the box below if you have tried them. I'll be very interested to know your opinion. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads. And please, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. It doesn't cost anything, it's totally free, and you become part of the bigger family. As I say, today we've climbed up to 316 members, which is brilliant. Thank you so much. And on that note, as always, I will say Namaste. And may your God go with you. Thank you so much.